Oh, sorry. What is up to my gang? What is up to my Scott? It's your girl, Nay, back again with another video. And today, I'm going to be doing a squishy video. And, also, before I forget, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. And in the link description below, it's going to be my cousin's channel, my favorite YouTuber. I got more than one, but I'm only gonna pick one. It's gonna be one girl and one boy, but yeah. And where I got these squishies, where you can find good squishies that actually squish or that's actually slow rising. But yeah. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So hold on, wait. Yes, I had to go back to myself. In real life, it's not this color that you guys see. It's actually purple. No, for real, it is purple. It looks so blue in the camera. But if you like Takis, you have a couple of packets. I've been collecting squishies. Now let's start off with the first squishy I ever got. The first squishy I ever got was my little cupcake bash. It's purple with a heart on top.
Can you do this for me?
Wi-Fi? I'll be right back, you guys. I'm back. I just had to put the Wi-Fi in for my brother. But yeah. So look at that. It's on my hand. But it's a heart that I don't know if I already showed that, but this is how it squishes. Very so I think. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be shouting out someone. If they don't watch the video, I can't see that they got their life. But, oh well, moving on to the next. This is the second squishy I ever got. Strawberry banana ice cream. I love this one. And by the way, before you think this squishy is gonna last forever, it's like a couple weeks ago. Look at that. Already breaking, and I barely play with it. I just have to get it. That's why it's kind of hard. Cause I got it out my closet. But I was like, I never took videos. My subscribers though. But yeah. So this is banana. Hi, I'm banana. This is strawberry. Hi, I'm strawberry. This is brown cone. Hi, I'm brown cone. See? They have little eyes, and this one doesn't have eyes though. But yeah. Look how slow rising this one is. Oh, wait. It's going to take a while. Stand back up. Oh, I gotta redo it. If I don't, it's going to tip over. So. But that's it. On to the next. Bada boom, bada boom. This is my pink raspberry. Cute, right? Oh, okay. Well, this is my pink raspberry. This is my pink raspberry because it has a little swirl in it. And it's pink. And I forgot to read the label before I throw it away. So, yeah, but look at it. This one's actually fast rise. So, yeah, let me see that. Ooh, you can see that one too. Ooh, excuse me. Very fast fasting. I said resting. Rising, but yeah. So, I'll let you guys watch this on the ground. Okay, that was messed up. But on to the last one. Now, this is really sad. Little Foggy Woggy, look at little Foggy. Let me throw this away. Hey, where's Mama?
I don't even know.
Sorry, my armpit itch. But I was just looking at the bottom like this. But this is my Froggy Woggy. Say hi. Hi, you guys. Look at the bottom. Okay. Oh, you guys can't see that. Wait. Okay, right. Look at this, how it does. I'll be right back. I'm back. Now, I'm going to be talking about the scent. The cupcake holder doesn't really smell like nothing. Let's smell the cupcake. It smell like this side smell like not this side. This side smell like strawberries, and this side smells like grapes. The grapes smell nasty. And let's see what the chocolate heart smells like. That stinks really bad. Smell. I mean. Okay, let me get the pink side. Ooh, that look really pretty in the camera. Ooh, that look really pretty in the camera. This is actually like a blue on camera, but it's actually purple, see? And this is like, this is the bottom. Hey, what's that? Oh, that's from makeup the other day. Yeah, and those are from this. Wait, no, it's not from. Yeah, it's from that. See, I just said it again. And it's not doing that. I need to massage it so that it can go away. I think somebody else did this one. See, so I think somebody else did those two. But anyway, moving on to that. I'm back. Let's talk about this scent. You know it's really fast rising. Strawberries. Let's see what the white part smells like. Strawberries. But yeah, moving on to the next. I will see you guys if you guys are watching the video this whole time. You would know what would be popping up. He fell over. This smells like a regular squishy. If you have a regular squishy, this is what it smells like. But I don't know why I got this, but yeah, bye. Bye. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. And thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. And the shout out is to Mr. Cope, my cousin Sebastian. Make sure you go follow him. The link will be in the description below. But yeah, we all love you.